Hi guys! This is Engineer Marcelo T. Abrera Jr. and welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Lectures ni Sir Mars. So today, pag-uusapan natin yung bagong subject na i-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. Ito yung Computer Software in Structural Analysis. So bilang unang video guys sa subject na to, ay pag-uusapan muna natin yung introduction sa subject na to, Introduction to Computer Software in Structural Analysis. So ito guys yung ating magiging contents ng ating video. Yung una ay pag-uusapan muna natin yung konting history about computer software. Pangalawa ay pag-uusapan natin yung role of computer software in structural engineering practice. And yung pangatlo, that is pag-uusapan din natin dito yung different computer softwares na ginagamit for design and analysis. Okay, pag-usapan muna natin guys yung history of computer software. So alam nyo ba na nag-start yung paggamit, yung pag-develop ng mga computers noong late 20th and early 21st century. So ayun. So bali naging available na nga yung ating mga computers and it has allowed finite element analysis to become a significant tool for structural analysis and design. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin guys pag sinabi nating finite element analysis, Ang finite element analysis is actually isang method, for numerically solving yung mga differential equations arising in engineering and mathematical modeling. So bali guys, yung finite element analysis is actually isang method para mas maintindihan natin kung paano nagre-react yung isang structure or structural member kapag in-applyan na natin ng mga actual loads. Ganon. So bali very powerful guys itong method na to, itong analysis na to, kasi mas naiintindihan natin yung nagiging reaction nga ng ating structure. Okay? In the 1960s and 70s, computational analysis was used in a significant way for the first time in the design of the Sydney Opera House roof. Many modern structures could not understood and designed without the use of computational analysis. So bali yung pinakauna guys na structure na ginamitan ng ating mga powerful computers is actually yung Sydney Opera House roof. Yung roof lang guys ng Sydney Opera House. So, itong Sydney Opera House guys is matatagpuan sa Australia. So nag-start bali yung kanyang construction noong March 2 ng 1959. So yung nag-design nito is isang Danish na architect, ang apelyido niya ay si Olson. So dinesign niya yung Opera House in 1957. Parang nagkaroon ng bidding guys, yung mga designers, yung mga architect, and then napili yung kay Olson. Otson's design was a set of interlocking voltage shells that became one of the most challenging engineering projects ever attempted. So bali guys, yung roof nito is actually shells, Yung bawat shell na to is actually made of precast concrete rib segments rising to a ridge beam, held together by about 350 kilometer na tension steel cable. So bali guys, yung design ng shells na to is ito na mismo yung pinaggamitan ng computer analysis para maintindihan yung complex forces that they would subject to, and it actually took some years para ma-resolve nga yung solution ng problem na to, Kasi nga, yun na, binagamitan na nga siya ng computer. So, yung naging solution nito is that all shells will be created as sections mula sa sphere supported by arced ribs. So, kaya ganun yung nangyari. Yun yung naging solution ng roof ng Sydney Opera House. So, ayun. So, balik guys, dyan nga nagsimula yung ating yung paggamit ng computer software. So, ang layo na nang narating guys ng computer software as of now, Madami na tayong mga software na available sa internet, yung iba mga libre, yung iba may bayad, ayun. Okay, so ngayon guys, pag-usapan naman natin, ano ba yung role ng computer software in structural engineering practice. So, ano ba yung role ng computer software in structural engineering practice? With the advent of high-quality structural analysis software, beam design, floor span, and the calculation of the floor joist load is easier and more reliable than ever before. Of course, alam naman natin guys na sobrang malaking tulong ng computer software sa mga structural engineers. Ito ay dahil kapag gumamit tayo guys ng computer software, nagiging more efficient yung ating trabaho. greater flexibility. It offers greater flexibility and it offers fewer flaws, time saving, and of course, peace of mind. Okay, so isa-isahin natin guys no kung bakit ito yung mga ino-offer na advantages ng computer software. Una, it is more efficient. Bakit siya more efficient? So premium structural analysis software is programmed with building codes from every geographic area and incorporates these regulations into the building plans. So bali guys, no, yung mga structural analysis software is naka-incorporate na sa kanila yung mga building codes. So ibig sabihin, kapag gumamit ka ng mga software na to, hindi mo na kailangang buklat-buklatin pa yung mga building codes kung meron kang libro, no? Kasi naka-incorporate na nga ito dun sa software. So, ibig sabihin, mas efficient siya guys and mas maganda kasi hindi ka kailangang mag-worry about sa mga ma-overlook mo kasi yun yung usually na problema, no? Nakaka-overlook tayo kapag ka mano-mano. Okay? So, yung pangalawa is the greater flexibility. Okay, so structural analysis software is an invaluable tool during the planning and construction process. Last-minute changes in load or design can be quickly and accurately adapted into the current plans without fear of multiple design flaws. Okay, so it offers guys greater flexibility. Ibig sabihin guys, no, for example, no, nagkaroon ng changes sa inyong design, nagkaroon ng changes sa design. So ang mangyayari niyan, kung mano-mano, mahirap, no, kasi kung mano-mano mo siyang i-design, no, ang dami pang i-review ulit, no, baka may ma-overlook ka na naman, ganun. Pero kapag gumamit ka ng software, no, madali lamang baguhin yung mga changes na sinasabi natin, yung mga changes sa design, madali lamang i-change dun sa mismong software. Ayun, so bali no, hindi mo kailangan nga mag-worry about sa mga ma-overlook kasi nga efficient nga yung ating mga softwares. Okay, next is fewer flaws. Ayun. So with beam design software, it is easy to calculate the maximum potential load for the structure as well as the proper spacing of each beam, joists, and stud wall. The software, which eliminates some of the risk of construction error, completes the engineering aspects of designing a structure. When combined with precise, careful construction by a contractor, construction errors can be nearly eradicated. So, ibig sabihin guys, no, dahil nga gumagamit tayo ng software, although hindi naman mapapromise ng software na perfect yung ating magiging construction or perfect yung ating magiging design, no, kasi nakadepende din naman yun sa gumagamit guys, no. Syempre, kung hindi mo masyadong naiintindihan yung software, then that means mas malaki yung possibility na magkaroon nga ng flaw sa iyong design. So, ayun. So, anyway, so kapag gumamit ka ng software, guys, dapat alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo din. No? Parang katulad lang din ng pagde-design ng mano-mano. So, kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginagawa mo, mas malaki yung chance na merong mga errors sa iyong design and analysis. Okay, next is, of course, the time saving. So, for professional engineers, contractors, and architects, structural analysis software is a time saver. It can be used to double-check calculations as well as perform complex functions with increased accuracy. Building codes are pre-programmed, and values such as load limits and deflections are generated automatically, freeing up your time for other aspects of the project. So, sobrang bilis guys, no, no makakasave ka ng time, no, kung mano-mano mo siya gagawin, pag ang dami pang i-check, mag-check ka pa ng mga deflections, mag-check ka pa ng load limits, ang dami mong kailangang i-check sa code, ayun. So, dito guys, no, sa computer software, pre-program na lahat, no? Nandun na mismo sa software, naka-program na doon lahat. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry, no? And accurate pa siya. Lastly is, of course, peace of mind. Okay? So, structural analysis software provides peace of mind for the user. A building project is stressful enough without worrying about integrated building codes, proper construction techniques, and architectural calculations. Many structural analysis software programs now incorporate composite construction materials, and such design techniques as flitch design, beam design calculations. So I think guys na yung peace of mind, ito na yung pinakamahalagang advantage or benefit ng paggamit ng computer software. Alam nyo ba guys, no? Ako nung engineer, no, first time na ako, nung naka-license na ako, ay nagkaroon ako ng design project and nagkaroon ako ng problema kasi na-realize ko na meron pala akong na-overlook nung time na na-construct na yung structure. So although medyo maliit lang yung structure, pero nagproblema ako kasi nga May na-overlook ako and I checked and buti na lang safe pa din siya no kahit na mayroon akong na-overlook. Okay, so ayun, so tapos na tayo guys sa history at saka sa role ng computer software in structural engineering. So dito na tayo ngayon sa different computer softwares for structural design and analysis. So unahin muna natin guys i-tackle yung mga computer softwares for general design and analysis. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga computer software na ginagamit natin for general design and analysis? Una dito is yung STAAD or STAAD.Pro. Of course, alam na alam natin to guys, no? Kasi walang sino mang civil engineering na hindi alam yung STAAD or STAAD.Pro. Okay? So yung STAAD.Pro or STAAD is a structural analysis and design software application originally developed by Research Engineers International in 1997. In late 2005, Research Engineers International was bought by Bentley Systems. Kaya yung may-ari ng STAAD is yung Bentley. Kaya ngayong tawag natin ngayon guys sa STAAD is Bentley STAAD, no? So, STAAD is a structural analysis and design software which is widely used to analyze and design structures for bridges, towers, buildings, transportation, industrial, and utility structures. So madaming gamit guys yung STAAD, no? So I think na kung civil engineering ka, mas maganda kung yung una mong pag-aaralan na software is yung STAAD. Okay? So pangalawa guys na ginagamit natin for general design and analysis is yung TECLA. Okay? So it is a software product family that consists of programs for analysis and design, detailing, and project communication. Tekla software is produced by Trimble, listed US-based technology company. So it is a software for analysis and design of concrete and steel buildings. So ayun, so maganda din gamitin guys itong Tekla. I-try nyo siya, no, kung kaya naman ng computers nyo, magandang i-try nyo din yung Tekla. Okay, so let's proceed now to the third, which is called the RISA 3D. So ano ba yung RISA 3D guys? RISA 3D is a software for analysis and design used to rapidly design structures using a wide range of materials. It is used to design buildings, bridges, tanks, culverts, and everything in between. Okay, so actually, no, yung RISA has been developing leading-edge structural design and optimization structure for over 30 years. No, their products are used to design towers, skyscrapers, mga airports, stadiums, petrochemical facilities, bridges, roller coasters, and everything in between. So actually, guys, no, maganda ding i-try nyo itong mga ganitong mga klaseng software. Ayun. So ayun, so move tayo to the fourth and that is yung ETABS. Okay, so actually no, isa to sa mga pinakasikat na general design and analysis na software. So ETABS, ang ibig sabihin guys ng ETABS is Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System. So ETABS is an engineering software product that caters to multi-story building analysis and design. So actually, yung nag-create guys nitong software na to, yung ETABS, is yung Computers and Structures Incorporated. Computers and Structures Incorporated. Yes, yung CSI. So yung CSI, ito yung madami silang ginawang mga softwares guys, no? At isa na nga doon yung ETABS at yung susunod natin na pag-uusapan, yung panglima which is yung SAP 2000. Yung CSI din yung gumawa nito. Okay, so SAP 2000 is general purpose civil engineering software ideal for the analysis and design of any type of structural system. So ayun, so maganda din tong gamitin guys, no? I hope na matry nyo siya sa inyong mga computers kung kaya, no? Ayun, tapos it offers a single user interface to perform modeling, analysis, design, and reporting. Okay, last is yung Perform 3D. So, yung Perform 3D guys is kapareho yung may-ari nito ng ETABS at saka ng SAP 2000. Yung gumawa nitong tatlong ito ay yung CSI, yun nga yung Computer and Structures Incorporated na kakasabi ko pa lang kanina. So yun nga guys, no, yung Perform 3D is a nonlinear analysis and design product focused on displacement-based and capacity design of buildings. It is a structural engineering software used for the performance assessment of structural systems. So actually guys, no, pare-pareho lang naman din actually itong mga to, no. Ang pagkakaiba lamang nila is yung method of analysis na kanilang ginamit. Okay? So, dito naman tayo guys sa mga computer softwares na ginagamit usually for member design and analysis. So, ano yung bang ibig sabihin guys ng member design analysis? Ito yung mga software guys na ginagamit natin pag nagde-design lamang tayo ng mga specific members ng ating structure or nag-analyze ng mga specific members ng ating structure. So, I can only share two softwares na ginagamit dito. Una is yung InnerCalc. Okay, so InnerCalc is a software used for analysis and design of components of buildings such as the walls, columns, beams, footings, diaphragms, frames, and other common elements. So yung pangalawang member design and analysis na software that I can share is yung S-Frame. Okay, so S-Frame is a complete 4D structural modeling, analysis, and design solution for steel, concrete, linear, and non-linear structural models. So actually guys, no, yung InnerCalc at saka yung S-Frame is para siyang mga isang buong package ng mga software. Tapos dun sa software na yun, mayroon kang mga makikitang mga kung paano ka magde-design. I mean, para may mga options dun kung ano yung mga i-designs mo. Like, magde-design ka ng beam, magde-design ka ng column, or magde-design ka ng kung ano-ano mga component ng building. So yun, so that is they are the member design and analysis na computer softwares. Okay, so next guys is yung mga computer softwares na ginagamit natin for concrete slabs, no, design and analysis. Okay, so first of course is yung RAM concept. Okay, so RAM concept is a software application for the structural analysis and design of conventionally reinforced and post-tension concrete floors, mats, and rafts. So, ang pagkakalala ko guys, no, yung RAM concept is yung may-ari nito is yung Bentley, yung may-ari ng Stahl at saka yung may-ari ng RAM ay same lang. Okay? Then, yung pangalawa natin guys is yung CSI Safe. Okay? Yung Safe. Okay? So, SAFE, ang ibig sabihin guys ng SAFE is the slab analysis by the finite element method. Okay, is the best tool, CSI Safe is the best tool for designing concrete slabs and foundations by the Computer and Structures Incorporated. Okay, SAFE provide easiness to engineer toward the safe design of structures with powerful tools like draw, analyze, design, and detailing. So again guys, no, yung may-ari ng SAFE is yung CSI, Computers and Structures Incorporated, na siya ring may-ari nga ng ETABS, nung SAP 2000 at saka nung Perform 3D na na-discuss na natin kanina. Okay? Okay, so yung pangatlo guys is, ito na yung last, this is the Adapt Builder. So Adapt Builder is a three-dimensional finite element software for analysis and design of concrete and post-tension floor and foundation systems. So ang pagkakalam ko guys, no, yung may-ari netong, yung gumawa nitong software na to, yung Adapt Builder at saka nung RISA ay pareho lamang na company. Hindi ako masyadong sure, no? Pero ganun yung pagkakakuhaan ko dati sa mga readings ko. So next na pag-usapan natin guys ay yung mga computer softwares na ginagamit natin sa pag-design and pag-analyze ng concrete columns. So una na nga dito is yung SP column. Okay, so yung may-ari nitong na company is yung Structure Point. So SP column is developed for the design and investigation of reinforced concrete sections subject to combined axial and flexural loads. The section can be rectangular, round, or irregular with any reinforcement layout or pattern. Slenderness effects can be simplified through moment magnification in lieu of complicated and time-consuming 3D models to account for second-order effects. So actually guys, no, kung ano nyo lang guys yung structure point na mga softwares, madami yan guys na mga SP, no? Merong SP slab, SP beam, SP wall, no? Ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa pag-design and analyze ng slab, beams, at saka walls. Tapos meron tayong SP column, okay? Meron din actually SP frame at saka SP mats. Ayun, so madami guys, no? Sa structure point yan na company, okay? Then of course, meron tayong C-Cycle. So ano ba yung C-Cycle? C-Cycle is a comprehensive software package used for the analysis and design of columns, efficiently addressing the design of columns of any concrete, reinforced concrete, or composite cross section. Okay? So yun na nga guys, so ito na nga guys yung ating mga computer softwares para sa concrete columns. So dito naman tayo ngayon sa computer softwares na ginagamit natin sa pag-design and analyze nga ng mga retaining walls. Okay, so una dito is yung Retain Pro. Okay? So Retain Pro is an established engineering design software specifically para sa retaining walls. Okay, so sobrang nice nitong Retain Pro guys. Tapos user-friendly pa itong Retain Pro guys, no? At saka no, sobrang bilis lang niya mag-compute guys, no? In a matter of mga minutes, I think mga minutes lang, no? Makaka-generate ka na ng mga results. Okay. Next is, of course, yung inner calc. Di ba yung inner calc ay ano natin kanina guys, na-tackle na natin to kanina sa member design and analysis. So inner calc is a software for analysis and design of components of buildings such as walls, columns, beams, footings, diaphragms, frames, and other common elements. So kasali din dito guys yung retaining walls. Okay, so dito naman tayo guys sa mga computer softwares na ginagamit natin usually for steel design. Isa lang yung i-share ko dito guys, pero magdadagdag na lang ako, no? So yung na-share ko dito sa aking presentation is yung RAM structural system. So RAM structural system is an integrated 3D static and dynamic structural analysis and design solution that automates time-consuming tasks. So ayun, so actually no, madami pa namang ibang mga softwares na kayang mag-design ng mga katulad ng steel design, no? Katulad na lamang din ng STAAD, di ba? Kaya din naman ng STAAD mag-design ng mga steel structures. Okay, so dito tayo guys sa computer softwares na ginagamit natin for steel anchorage to concrete. Okay, so bali no, una is yung Simpson's Strong Tie Anchor Designer. So, para lang maintindihan natin guys, itong mga computer softwares na to is ginagamit natin kapag meron tayo mga steel members tapos, kailangan natin silang i-anchor sa concrete. So, bali, ayun, no, yung unang software is yung Simpson Strong Tie Anchor Designer. So, this can quickly and accurately analyze an existing design or suggest anchorage solutions based upon user-defined designed elements in cracked and uncracked concrete conditions. So, yung Simpson Strong Tie Anchor Designer, guys, is the latest anchorage design tool for structural engineers to satisfy the strength design provisions ng Chapter 17 ng ACI 31814. So, kung meron kayong ACI 31814, no, please check yung Chapter 17. So, bali no, yung itong designer na to, itong software na to, can satisfy those provisions na nandun sa Chapter 17 na yon. Okay? So, next nga guys is the Healthy Profis Anchor. So, this software is used to design and analyze even the most complex and challenging structural connections. So, of course, no, nandyan na mismo sa pangalan, yung company na gumawa nitong software na to is yung Healthy. Okay? So, next guys is, of course, the DeWalt Design Assist or DDA. So, okay, so bali no, itong software na to is a free structural design software that streamlines, automates, and optimizes DeWalt anchoring products in accordance with ACI 318, anchor design provisions of the Canadian Standards Association, and optional metric units of measurement. So, of course, yung DeWalt naman yung may-ari nitong software na to. Okay? Of course, kaya din gawin guys, kaya din i-design yung steel anchorage to concrete ng ATABS, kaya din ng SAP 2000 na na-discuss natin kanina, at saka yung Perform 3D ay kaya din. Okay, sa computer softwares naman, para sa cold-formed steel. So, para lang guys ma-explain natin, yung pagkakaiba nga ng cold-formed steel at saka yung structural steel, parang pareho lang kasi guys, no? Pareho sila may mga shapes, like for example, the C shape, the wide flange na shape, mga ganon. So, ayun. So, bali, ang pagkakaiba ng cold-formed at saka ng structural steel is that yung molten iron is yun yung ginagawang structural steel, no? Tapos, yung cold-formed steel naman is also made with iron, pero ang ginagawa is it is made into thin strips tapos pinapa-cool, no? Pinapalamigan, ganon. So, ayun. So, that's the difference. So, pero anyway, same lang sila ng mga shapes, guys. Meron ding mga C-shapes, mga yung channel, yung wide flange, yung mga S, mga ganon. So, ayun. Okay. So, bali no, Para sa pag-design nga ng cold form steel, no, yung usual na software na ginagamit natin dito is yung Simpson Strong Tie CFS Designer. Meron ditong CFS. Alam ko kanina na-mention na natin ito, yung Simpson Strong Tie. Pero ito is meron siyang CFS. It gives cold form steel or CFS designers the ability to design CFS beam column members according to AISI specifications and to analyze complex beam loading and span conditions. Okay, so that's it guys. So yun na lahat so far yung mga masishare ko lang dito sa video na to ng mga computer softwares. Actually, madami pang mga computer softwares na available, no? So ito na lang muna guys yung i-share ko sa inyo ng mga useful na mga softwares for design and analysis para sa structural engineering. Okay, so that's it guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is the Lectures ni Sir Mars. And kung meron kayong mga tanong guys, you can comment below or pwede kayong mag-send ng inyong mga tanong sa aking Facebook page na Lectures ni Sir Mars. Paki-like and follow na lang guys yung aking Facebook page. Ayun, so that's it and bye-bye!